Okay, this is going to be a long video. We're going to go right from loading in a program to setting up the part and running it in graphics. The first thing we're going to do is load a program in from the USB stick. So we're going to start from the conversational screen. We want to go to G-code side. Shift Escape gets us to the G-code side of the control. First thing we want to do is hit F6 for utilities and then F7 for Explorer. At this point, you're going to see all the programs in memory. We want to insert the USB stick. Now, take your cursor and bring it down to USB disk. You're going to see all the programs pop up. Now, we want to take the cursor, we want to move it from the left side of the screen to the right side. We use the F7 key to do that. So now you'll see the cursors over here. I'm going to go down and select this last program. Once I got the program that I want, I go to Actions. I'm going to scroll down to Copy. I'm going to hit Enter. Now I'm going to take the cursor and bring it back to the left side using the F7 key. And I'm going to hit my cursor key, bring it all the way up to memory. Once I'm in memory, I'm going to go back to Actions, and you'll see that paste is already highlighted. We'll hit Enter, and the program will be loaded in. You'll see it right there. So these are all the programs that we've got in the machine right now. We are done with this. We've loaded the program from the USB stick into the computer memory. We'll hit Escape to get out of here, and Escape again. Okay, we are now still on the G-code side of the control. We want to simulate or graph out a program. So we're going to pick the program that we want to graph out. I'm going to pick this program that's got all the 8s in it, and I'm going to hit Enter. Down at the bottom, F1 says Theoretical Path, and then F7 says Graphics. And you'll see the screen appear. Always bring your feed rate down to 2% before you hit the cycle start button. We'll hit cycle start, and we should start to see the program appear. Well, it's giving us a message on the top in green saying hit cycle start, put tool 1 in. Okay, we did. Okay, there's the program. So we've just graphed out the program. Everything looks good. We can get out of this screen. Now, we are completely out of the screen and we need to set 0 on the part. So I'm going to go back to the conversational side of the control, and I'm going to position the tool where I want it or pick up my XY 0. However you do that, that's up to you. But I'm already positioned on the table. I'm going to come down and just touch the top of the part with the tool. So I'm going to bring Z down just a little bit and stop right there. Okay, so I'm in complete position. This is my X, Y, and Z 0. So I'm going to hit X 0, Enter, Enter, Y 0, Enter, Enter, and Z 0, Enter, Enter.
And we can do 3 of them at the same time.
Did
right?
it all at the same time because
You
I've got
can do this on the right spot, right?
right. But now it's not in the memory of the control right now. It's
What is
just
this
temporarily set. So we have to load this into the G54. That's what Bobcat uses, is G54. In order to get to that screen, we need to hit the 0 key twice. 1, 2. Now you see this 0 offset table. This highlighted line here is what you want. See, it says G54. So we're going to record the information into this table. To do that, you hit this recall key. Boom. And you hit Enter. It has now recorded the information.
It's 0 now.
It is now in the computer. Okay, we can escape out of this control. We're done with that. We are ready to execute the part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the Z up off the part now. And right now you can see that I've got tool 2 and the spindle. I need to change the tool to tool 1 because that's what I programmed, was tool 1. So I'm going to hit T1, cycle start.
That's the one.
And it's going to go to your tool change. And we're going to
I'm
load
gonna
it.
do this one. Okay. We'll put it there.
Load in this 12 millimeter tool. Hit the button. Okay. If everything is right, we're ready to execute. So we don't execute. Oh, we have to hit cycle start. Okay, so now it says we have tool 1 in there. We're going to get out of the G code side of the conversational side of the screen and go back to G code because that's where Bobcat lives. We're now going to hit F1 to execute. We're going to execute this program called 88888. So I'm going to hit enter. So now we see the part of the program up on top and we see all our locations. I always bring my feed rate all the way down and I hit cycle start. So the machine is running, it's going to its home location. It's going to start the spindle. As the spindle starts to drop down to your part, start slowing it down so there's no accidents. Now, I usually stop it and take a look at where I'm at, distance to go. It says 32 millimeters. I look at the part, it looks like it's about 32 millimeters. So I'm gonna start coming down real slow. Okay, that looks good. And it's gonna start feeding into the part.
There's nothing to see there, right?
That's it. It's done.
Thank you, Bob. Appreciate it. So now we can done here.
So I'll put that up on YouTube for you.